Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will be reviewing rust converter. The brand I'm reviewing is Moorcolor. The area I will be using is on decorative fencing. The fencing had suffered winter rains and has suffered some deep rust. The area was too arched to be sanded and time consuming, so I decided to use rust converter. Before using this product, you must apply the safety procedures as stated on the bottle. To apply the product, you would need a cup and a paintbrush. Now apply the rust converter small area at a time. If you have a large area, roller are much easier to roll and brushes work well on smaller surfaces. You also need to make sure you put a sheet under the area you are working on, as it leaves marks which are very hard to remove. Rust converter works by using an acid to react with the rust, iron oxide, and chemically convert it. The addition of organic polymers result in a stable protective primer layer. Rust converter is suitable for use on rusty iron or steel objects. This includes wrought, cast iron such as railings, vehicles, trailers, farming equipment, gates and gardening equipment. The rust converter will dry in 20 minutes, however it takes 24 hours to cure. Application of a second coating will ensure proper rust conversion. This is the final product. As the solution is water-based, the drying time for the rust converter can vary depending on several factors, including the temperature in the room and any humidity in the air. Although generally the drying time is around 20 minutes at room temperature, this time could be reflective dependent on the weather. Opting to carry out the task on a warm day will reduce the drying time for the rust converter. Once the rust is converted, it cannot react with the oxygen in the air, so the surface is protected and there is no need to treat or protect it further. However, the rest of the metal surface is not immune to the possibilities of rust. Though it is not compulsory, it's a good idea to use 2 coats of good quality metal primer paint to cover the surface and prevent any further rust from developing on the surface. Rust converter contains tannic acid. It reacts with rust to form iron tannate, or ferric tannate, a dark-colored stable material. Thank you for watching. If you did like the video, please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.